Joining us today is an icon among growth stock investors, Mr. Louis Navellier. He's here to discuss the fourth book in the series, Little Book, Big Profits. This one is titled The Little Book That Makes You Rich. Welcome, Louis.
It's great to be here.
How did you begin your career in growth investing?
I'm actually from Berkeley, California, and I was trained in indexing. And I was trying to figure out how to mimic the S&P 500 with less than 500 stocks, and I had a problem. I kept beating the market. So I discovered there were anomalies, inefficiencies in the market, and that's what I do. I capitalize on that.
What exactly is growth investing?
It's simply finding stocks that have stronger sales growth in the underlying market, stronger earnings growth. We always want our earnings to grow faster than sales due to operating margin expansion. Cash flow is very important. Companies with very strong cash flow do exceptionally well. So we just stack the odds in our favor by grading the stocks on these and other criteria. And we built a very large database that we update every weekend, and that's how we pick all the stocks. In the book, we reveal how we grade stocks. There's a quantitative grade that measures institutional buying pressure. The stronger the buying pressure, the safer the stock. There's an 8-factor tried and true fundamental model that ranks stocks under sales growth, margin expansion, earnings stability, earnings momentum, cash flow, return on equity, analyst earnings revisions, earnings surprises. And when we grade the stocks on these factors, we essentially get a power ranking under all the stocks. So in the book, we're explaining how we calculate these rankings and then, of course, how to use them.
What is the influence of Wall Street analysis on the stock market?
Well, it varies. You know, the analysts on Wall Street got a little carried away in the 90s, and they probably started to be too enthusiastic. And we have a whole new breed of analysts now. And if they have any problem, they tend to underestimate earnings, and that's been a persistent problem. So finding stocks that have what we call earnings surprises that exceed analyst expectations is actually quite easy lately. Once everybody reads the book, we want them to know what's the next step, and simply to use Portfolio Grader Pro. And you can go on there, and you have full access to my entire database of 5,000 stocks, updated every week. So you can key in your portfolios, and we grade them on an A, B, C, D, F basis under all our quantitative and fundamental criteria. It's a very powerful tool. You know, this book is about empowering investors. After you read the book, okay, the next step is how do I implement this? Well, you just go to Portfolio Grader Pro. It's right there for everybody.
The Little Book That Makes You Rich is the quintessential guide to growth stock investing. Mr. Navellier takes the mystery out of growth investing and turns it into a science that you can master.